I'm finally taking some time for a much needed self-care pamper day. My skin looks so dull, and just look at the amount of hair on my hands and on my face. I have been super busy lately because I have restarted my acting training, and honestly my hair and skin have taken a backseat. But today it's all about relaxing, refreshing, and giving myself the care I deserve. So let's get started.
Before we dive into the routine, I always like to create the perfect ambience to help me relax. I begin by lighting a beautiful scented candle. The soft flickering flame and soothing aroma instantly transform my space into a cozy sanctuary. I also love starting my pamper routine with a refreshing matcha drink that boosts my energy and enhances my focus. My matcha becomes the perfect companion for this relaxing day. Now let's begin with hair care because a good hair oiling session is a must for a proper pamper day. Today I'm using Indie Wild hair oil which is packed with nourishing ingredients that help strengthen the root, promote hair growth and add shine. I take a generous amount of oil and start by applying it to my scalp section by section, making sure every part is well coated. Then I gently massage it in using my fingertips to stimulate blood circulation. To make the process even more relaxing and effective, I am using my scalp massager. This little tool works wonders. It boosts circulation, helps the oil absorb better, and honestly, it just feels amazing. If you haven't tried a scalp massager yet, I highly recommend adding it to your routine. Once my scalp is fully oiled, I take my wooden comb and gently run it through my hair. The wooden comb is a game changer. It helps detangle without causing breakage while evenly distributing the nourishing oil from roots to tips. After combing, I leave my hair to soak in all that goodness for a few hours. This extra weight lets the oil deeply penetrate the scalp and hair, ensuring maximum hydration and strengthening benefits. During this downtime, I love to relax with good book or sip of my refreshing matcha drink, knowing that by the time I wash my hair, it will be soft, manageable, and glowing with health. Now it's time to hit the shower and refresh from head to toe. I have shared my detailed shower routine many times, so today I'm keeping it quick and simple. Now let's move on to skincare and a little extra self-love. First, I'm starting with double cleansing, which is my favorite way to deeply clean my skin. I'm using DHC deep cleansing oil to break down sunscreen, makeup, and all the impurities from the day. I massage it in gently for about a minute to let it melt everything away. Next, it's time for facial hair removal, which I love doing myself for smooth skin and easy makeup application. I apply a generous layer of aloe vera gel. It gives a nice slip and protects my skin during shaving. Then, using a face razor, I carefully remove all my facial hair, starting from the cheeks and moving downwards with light, gentle strokes. It's so satisfying to see the peach fuzz gone. And to cleanse everything off, I go in with my trusted Cetaphil face wash. It's gentle, hydrating, and perfect for my skin. I massage it in for 30 seconds, focusing on areas like my T-zone, and rinse with cool water. Next, I'm using the Nykaa Clay Cool Mask. It's perfect for refreshing and detoxifying my skin. This mask has a cooling effect that feels so soothing, especially after exfoliating. I love how it helps to minimize my pores and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. For my body, I mix Plum Body Love and Vanilla Vibes body oil with Plum Body Love and Vanilla Caramello body lotion. This combo smells absolutely divine, like creamy vanilla with hint of caramel, and it leaves my skin feeling deeply nourished and soft. I gently massage it all over my body, focusing on dry areas like my elbows and knees. The rich texture of the lotion combined with the silky body oil gives my skin a beautiful, healthy glow. Just look at how my hands are shining. My skin feels so soft, smooth, and smells heavenly, just like a vanilla dream. For my underarm care, I'm using Chemist Star Play Underarms Roll-On. This roll-on is perfect for keeping me fresh all day long. Now let's move back to my skincare. I'm going in with the Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Toner. This toner is so lightweight and hydrating, perfect for prepping my skin and restoring its moisture barrier. I pour a little into my palms and gently pat into my skin. It absorbs quickly and leaves my skin feeling soft, plump, and ready for the next step. Following that, I am applying the Cosrx Snail Mucin Essence. This essence is a game changer for hydration and repairing my skin barriers. The texture is a bit sticky, but it glides so smoothly on my skin. I press it in gently and it gives my skin that glassy, dewy glow. Plus, Snail Mucin is amazing for calming any redness or irritation. Now it's time for some deep hydration. I'm using my hyaluronic acid serum to lock in moisture. Hyaluronic acid is my go-to for plump, hydrated skin because it attracts water and keeps my skin feeling fresh and bouncy. I apply few drops and press it into my face. For my under eye care, I am using the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Under Eye Serum. I love this serum because it's lightweight and has this cooling metal applicator that feels so refreshing on my under eyes. After applying, I softly tap it in with my ring finger to help with absorption. To seal everything in, I am going in with Clinique Moisture Surge. I absolutely love this gel cream texture. It's super lightweight but deeply hydrating. Lastly, for my lips, I am using my favorite Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It's rich, buttery and leaves my lips soft and hydrated. I love applying a thick layer because it keeps my lips moisturized for hours. Now let's finish off with some hair care. I'm starting with Wishcare 100% Hair Growth Serum. This serum is packed with ingredients like Redensil and biotin to help strengthen my roots and promote healthy hair growth. I apply a few drops directly onto my scalp and gently massage it in with my fingers. Next, I am using the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum for my hair. This serum is my go-to for tackling frizz and adding a gorgeous shine. I take a few pumps and warm it up between my palms to activate the ingredients. Then I glide it through my hair, focusing on the mid, lens and ends where my hair needs extra nourishment and protection. And since today is my ultimate pamper and self-care day, it's time for something extra special. I am heading to the salon for a much needed hair makeover. It's been a while since I have refreshed my look and I'm so excited to treat my hair to a new vibe. I'll be getting a fresh hair color and a stylish haircut to bring some life and dimension back to my hair. There's something so magical about sitting in that salon chair, getting pampered and walking out feeling like a brand new version of yourself. I decided to switch things up with a global color in beautiful light red shade. To make it even more stunning, I am adding soft brown highlights for that perfect multi-dimensional glow. I feel like this blend will give my hair a rich, vibrant and fresh vibe. I wanted something bold yet soft, something that feels new but still very me. A hair transformation like this always boosts my mood and confidence, which is exactly what a self-care day is all about. And finally, my hair coloring is done. Now it's time for the next step, my haircut and blow dry. A fresh cut always brings the entire transformation together, adding shape, bounce and that perfect finish. Next up, the blow dry. I love how good blowout brings out the color and highlights even more, adding that extra shine and bounce. Just wait till you see the final look. It's going to be worth the wait. And here it is, the final look. I am absolutely loving it. It turned out exactly how I wanted. Not too bold, not too soft, just the perfect balance. I seriously can't stop admiring my hair. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments how you like my new look. And with that, my pamper and self-care day comes to an end. From skincare to body care to this gorgeous hair makeover, today was all about refreshing my mind, body and soul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.